Today we will do one science experiment based on atmospheric pressure. Okay. So for this we need one full glass of water. We have filled the water till the top level of the glass. Okay. And we need one cardboard. Yes. So let's start.
Yeah, you can start.
So what we will do? First we will take glass. Okay. And we will put this cardboard above the glass, and we will do upside down. Okay. Now shall I leave the cardboard? Yes. See this? It holds the water. Now the water is not falling. Are you amazed? Are you amazed, Ibrahim? Awesome.
Now I will try. Yay, finally I did it. Thank you for watching my